There's a beautiful idea called the invisible string theory, the belief that two people who are destined to be together are connected by an unbreakable string of love and connection. That string may stretch across time and distance, but it never breaks, always guiding two people who are meant to be together to each other. For Julia and Jake, that string tugged quietly for years before they even knew. But as the theory promises, that invisible string held on, and it eventually led them right here to this very moment, surrounded by all of you.
I don't know where it's gonna lead, I don't know how long it's gonna be, but I know I'm giving all of me. Gonna give it my whole heart, all of me from the start. I'm a fire, I'm a spark, giving my whole heart. Gonna do the best I can, this is everything I am. Like a light, running hard, giving my whole heart. I'm waking up, the sun is shining down. I see the bright blue day, I'm jumping in, the tides are changing now. I don't know where it's gonna lead, I don't know how long it's gonna be, but I know I'm giving all of me.
We've gathered here today to celebrate the love between Julia and Jake, and to share in this commitment they make to one another, to offer our love and support to this union, and to allow Julia and Jake to start their married life together, surrounded by the people dearest and most important to them. Today we celebrate not only their marriage, but the life they've built together with Ben, Frankie, and Kevin, a family full of laughter, love, and the joy they bring to one another every day. Julia and Jake, as you begin this next chapter, I hope you always hold on to that spirit of fun and adventure that has carried you here. Anyone can see you balance each other so well, and it's clear to everyone here that you bring out the very best in each other.
I give you this ring
as a symbol of our love
for today and tomorrow,
and for all the days to come. Wear it as a sign
of what we have promised on this day, and know that my love
is present,
even when I am not.
Julia, do you take Jake to be your husband?
I do.
Okay.
Okay.
We're excited. Do you promise to love her, comfort her, honor and keep her in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, be faithful to her as long as you both shall live?
I do.
Now, by the power vested in me by the state of Massachusetts, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Jake, you may kiss the bride. It is my great honor and privilege to be the first to present to you Mr. and Mrs. Santos.
Gonna give it my whole heart, all of me from the start. I'm a fire, I'm a spark, give it my whole heart. Gonna do the best I can, this is everything I am. Like a light, running hard, give it my whole heart. Give it my whole heart. Give it my whole heart.
I look at stare so deep in your eyes. I touch on you more and more every time. When you leave, I'm begging you not to go. Call your name 2-3 times in a row. Such a funny thing for me to try to explain. How I'm feeling and my pride is the one to blame. 'Cause I know I don't understand just how you love you doing no one else can. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your love got me looking so crazy right now. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your touch got me looking so crazy right now. Got me hoping you pay me right now. Your kiss got me hoping you save me right now. Looking so crazy, your love got me looking so crazy, your love.
Basically, I would just want to thank everybody who came tonight. We're very, very glad that you came on behalf of these two children right here.
A couple weeks ago, Ben and I went out for some steaks, his favorite, and I asked him about what makes his dad and Julia so special. What struck me most in that conversation with Ben wasn't the list itself. It was the joy with which he shared it. In that moment, with Ben's smile spilling over like the first light of dawn, I felt overwhelmed with gratitude that these two people met, that they found someone who loves just as fiercely as they do. And so tonight, Jake and Julia, on your wedding day and on the eve of your ever after, I say this on behalf of all of us who love you so, so much. May your joy guide you through every storm and every daybreak. And may it remind you always that life is sweetest when shared. I asked Ben to give us a little closing, so here he goes.
Cheers, everybody.
The happiness and love Julia and Jake have for each other is so easy to see. Seeing all the good that has come from this relationship is something I really am so happy to see. Becoming family, having our best girl Francine, and having the added bonus of Ben brings so much love to us all. Julia, you are you, and I wouldn't want it any other way. You drive me crazy, but keep me sane all at the same time. You balance me out for the better, and you make me a better me. I love that you're my best friend. I'm sorry. And I love that you complete our family for the better. Sorry. Julia, I love you. I ride for you endlessly, and I'll laugh with you always. I'm sorry, I don't know what happened. Julia does this yell when we party, and instead of a cheers, I think it's only right to make that noise. So, you guys ready for the noise? Ready? All right, let's party.